Guys, do I do it? Do I do it? This is a very exciting unboxing, guys, and it actually impacts you. I'm not gonna lie, guys, not the most well thought out purchase, but hopefully it pays off. Not to geek out on you guys, because I honestly don't know much about anything, but you can probably tell what this is, and I am beyond excited. Film my little unboxing and start shooting with this baddie. Maybe I should read this. You know I probably won't, though. Look at this inception. Just kidding, my camera's still broken. Hey guys, what is up? It is Melanie, and today we're starting off another week in the life of a student at Pepperdine. I am the student and speaking. Not great at intros, as you can see, but yeah, thanks for coming along. These have been fun. Oh, I'm just gonna take you along with me for a typical week. Actually, I don't want to say typical. All the weeks here are kind of different, so but I'm excited for you guys to come along with me, and yeah, stay tuned till the end of the video because I'm starting a new thing where I post music recs because I like to think I have pretty good music taste, or I mean obviously I like my own music taste, so I will be giving a recommendation at the end of this video and every video from now on because I'm constantly searching for new music. But what is up? It is Friday. What better thing to do on a Friday than crochet on your floor? Yeah, college has changed me, guys. Also, I have taken shopping in your own like closet. I think I've talked about this before, but shopping in your own closet to a whole new level. Basically, when I was at home, I'm gonna find my tripod, be a little proactive here, but basically when I lived at home, I kind of like, I had a lot of clothes, okay? I had so much clothes that I would store like not half of it, but like a good portion of it in my brother's old closet, like the off seasons and stuff, or just things I wasn't wearing as much. And so when I would like want more clothes and I didn't want to spend money, I would go shopping in my closet, and it was so rewarding. So unfortunately, ow, stupid tripod. Fortunately, I couldn't exactly do that because I am not in fact at that home. I am in my dorm, but my lovely brother and father sent me a beautiful package of my stuff. So we're gonna do a little unboxing right here. Literally unboxing of my own things. It's like fake haul for you guys. I also have to like pay to ship, like pay to have my own things. Well, I guess that makes sense because I have to ship it, but like, you know, the principle of it. Like, why did I just pack this to begin with? It would have made life so much easier. But basically coming here, aw, look how nice my dad is. He left me a little note. It said, save bubble wrap for packing when we go home. He's like already preparing to leave. Homie, oh my gosh, nice. A couple things I realized since coming to college. Oh, lit. I needed these. I did not pack very much cold stuff because I just thought like California, it'll be so sunny and warm. It is sunny, it's not that warm. I am frequently very, very cold. First off, the sweater that I crocheted. I'm excited to have this. I haven't worn this once actually. Second off, leather jacket. I brought like 2 jackets because I'm stupid. Third, oh my god, crew neck. That's a good one. Definitely gonna wear that. T-shirt. Oh, I asked for some of my business clothes, so he sent me a blazer and my like button-up hoodie. It's like the Brandy short hoodie. Ooh, these fun jeans. So much better than shopping. Then, oh lovely, my Vietnamese coffee maker. It's called a Fin because I miss my Vietnamese iced coffee. I literally searched it. It was like the first thing I did when I came here. And the closest Vietnamese iced coffee to me is like 30 minutes away. Another hoodie. I literally have this one in black that I brought, but like I wanted it in pink too. Some shoes, because I felt like I didn't have enough shoes apparently. I'm actually really excited for these. And then my custom Converse. Like I don't know why I didn't bring these in the first place. They're so cute. yeah. Ooh, also a purse. I didn't bring like any purses. I just thought like I wouldn't use it for some reason. I was like, I'm gonna be a tote bag girl. It's not packs. There's a random battery in here. That's nice. Got like a bunch of stickers in here because basically like I collect a bunch of stickers. I collect a bunch of stickers, right? Ooh, Olivia. I have so many and I just like never know what to do with them. I kind of just like collect them. But then I got this recently. Let me show you. This adorable little composition notebook case for my iPad. And I have a couple stickers on here, but I definitely want to add more. I was struggling to find some, but now I have a crap ton. So next time you see this, it'll have a little makeover. Okay, so that was pretty much it for my little haul. But I also want to show you guys what I'm currently working on, my crochet project of the month. I need to stop talking while I'm like literally adjusting my camera because it just, yeah, continues to do it. Okay. Well, first off, what is this, you may ask? I'll put a picture of like my inspiration. I feel like there's been a lot of cool like square neck sweaters that I've been liking and they have like funky patterns. I really want the things I make to be pretty unique so you can tell I hand crocheted it, so people will ask me, Melanie, where'd you get that? And I'll go, oh, I made it. You know, so far I have this. This is gonna be the body of it, like so. And then this is one sleeve. I just started the other one. And basically, there was a little mistake here, as you can see, but I can't do anything about that now. I'm gonna attach this like that, and then also like I'm gonna put a back on it and stuff so it has more shape. But basically it'll, like this. Hopefully by the end of this week in my life, it'll be done because I really want to be able to wear it. And I'm getting cold. I don't have very many sweaters except for the other one I crocheted. So like really like am in dire need of some sweaters. So let's get into it. Guys, I don't think you understand how much I miss being able to zoom in with my camera. It's actually kind of terrible that I can't do this. I feel like my videos have lost a big part of themselves. It's really heartbreaking. I think I need to get like not a whole new camera, but I'm considering like new lenses. This is kind of like geeky camera talk. You might not care. It's really upsetting though. I just got this camera. Like I just got it. But anyways, how are you guys? Crochet talk. I want to do more crochet videos, but it's kind of like difficult to because I struggle to find the time to even like crochet here, let alone like, you know, film and edit and do things. But so far it's been really good. I hope you guys are doing well as well in school. Being back in person has been kind of weird, but it has been nice. I'm just not used to being like as busy as I am. I really like emphasize this, but I'm not usually that busy of a person, and I'm usually not that social of a person either. Or like if I am being social for a day or a week, I have a lot of me time also. Thank goodness though I have my car, so I still go on my coffee runs, my solo beach runs, and I bring you guys with me, which has been really nice. But yeah, it's been really hard to like do crafts and stuff here. I think I've like painted once. Crocheting's probably like the closest I've been able to get to doing like the crafts I like to do, which has been a little bit hard because I miss that. But I will be heading home pretty soon for Thanksgiving, so I really hope that I'll, you know, get some crafting in during that time. Other than that, I'll update you on this because I know that's what you're here for.
Well, I guess I'm a loser, baby. Fuck everyone that chased my dreams. Well, you gotta get used to faking. I stretch $1 till it rips my seams. Look.
Hey guys, I want to give you a sweater update. I know you've been dying for it, okay? So first off, better lighting. So we have this piece here. This is fine. This is nice and dandy. It's gonna be like this, right? Little tube top. And then I have these two sleeves, but we have a problem here. So you see these two sleeves, right? And then they're gonna be like this, and then attach it like that, kind of. Cute, right? Except you can't tell, but like, okay, look at this, look at this. We have a little problem, so I don't know what to do with this. You guys can give me your advice, but by the time you see this, I think I've already made a decision. But look, my dumb butt didn't measure it at all. I literally like wing everything I do. If you've seen any of my like DIY videos, not the best idea out there, because look at this. Do you see that difference? Do you see the difference in these sleeves? So like I either have to like remake one of them. I'm leaning towards remaking this one because I don't know what happened here. Kind of looks like a flare arm, but like I don't know if I want the tighter sleeves. Like I don't know, it doesn't look bad on. It actually looks pretty good. And this one's just like huge. I wish I could just sew it. Why do I do this to myself? Maybe I should just keep them as arm warmers. Cute. But yeah, that's the problem right now. Now I gotta go run. Not for a run. Gotta go run back to campus. Wish I could just crochet all day, but see you later. Look what I got.
What is that?
It's a little like
Wait,
cat corner thing.
Vintage stuff.
Yeah.
Dude, I love it.
We're
That
crocheting.
Oh my god. It reminds me of when I was like a kid and then like, you know, parents.
Family vlogs. But it looks
Oh my
weird. Look,
God.
this part is like weird. Like this. This is Grace.
No, I'm not ready.
We're crocheting right now. Grace is making a bag.
Yes, we're attempting.
I'm making my lopsided sweater. I decided I'm gonna try to sew it because it's not working right now. Beautiful but lopsided. Guys, this side of the room looks exactly like my room. Did I tell you?
It does.
It looks just like my room from home.
Never thought, yeah, yeah. Spit on top my
I
grave,
know what
thought I told you.
we're doing.
My grave daughter. Now I sing it Babylon, yeah, yeah. Take me from this.
Look at our setup, guys. I'm gonna crochet. I'm determined to finish this sweater. This is Grace.
Hello.
I don't think she's been on my channel yet, but Grace, you should introduce yourself.
I'm Grace. I'm a junior at Pepperdine and my channel is by Grace, BY Grace. I love
Cute.
Mel.
Aww. We're crochet buddies now and edit buddies.
Well, she's just teaching me actually.
Yeah, show them your crochet.
Oh my god, it's like so bad compared
No, but I found friends to crochet with me and it's actually the best thing ever.
Yes, we're edit and crochet buddies.
Exactly.
Mel, but you'll be so proud of me. I can do it without thinking now.
Without thinking.
But you guys, progress. I did it wrong too. This is right though, right? Oh,
No,
why
no,
is it
this
so
one,
bumpy?
this one's right.
Is it supposed to be bumpy? Like
Yeah,
that?
no, that's normal.
Okay. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna try to
Yay.
finish the bottom.
This is I don't remember if I updated you, but I made my sleeves, like I sewed them.
What happened with the lopsided?
I sewed it.
Oh, that's so good. So you
But,
figured
like,
it out?
Yeah, kind
Oh
of.
my
It just
God.
like, look how lumpy it looks. It's
No,
like,
it's still so cute.
I'm gonna I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm literally winging this, but I'm trying to figure out how to attach the arms and like make a bag.
Oh my, that's so cute.
So hopefully I really want to finish it soon so I can crochet like other stuff.
I'm so excited for it to be done.
But also guys, look at Grace's camera.
This is not, I use the J7X one usually, but this is called the DJI Pocket and it like moves around.
The way it moves, I literally said
cute.
it looks like Wally. I feel like it's AI.
Screen, though. It's like really hard to see sometimes.
It's so cute. Okay, I'll update you on my crocheting in a bit.
Place, I don't know you. This place, I don't. Industry pulling on my strings like Geppetto. It's okay, daddy, let go. I'll party till our next door neighbors know me the best. So it's all good, it's all fine, but baby, ease up on that wine night. Cause that will get you to the limelight. Baby, can we forget the timeline? She said the curfew was 25. If we don't pop off, we're gonna die. Yeah. Never thought, yeah. Spit on top my grave, thought I told you. My grave daughter. Now I sing it Babylon.
Where you can like put your head inside.
Oh, the crossover thing? That's kind of cool. Oh, it is so cold. Update, guys. I am attaching the sleeves right now. This is a big deal. I actually have no clue what I'm doing though. Like, I'm not really following a tutorial. So,
Wait, what? You're just winging it?
yeah, okay.
Girl.
But we'll see how it turns out. Guys, this is my progress, okay? I really like it. It's really bigger than I thought it would be. Kind of slouchy. But I just need to basically make shoulders because right now it sits like this. But I want it to be a little more like boxy. But I think I could probably finish this like within the next 2 days. We're doing well. Look, she figured it out. I don't remember if I formally showed you my new hair. When I have it up, I literally look like a boy. Whatever, it's hot, I don't care. I am showing you guys sweater progress. So here's the thing with this. I finished everything. The thing is, like, I just really did not have much of a plan going in with it. So, and I like told you, I don't know why I do this myself. I told you, like, I just really wasn't really following a template. I always do this, but sometimes it really like works out. That's the problem here. Sometimes it happens. I also literally did not have a mirror, but here's what it's looking like right now. I don't know the, ooh, I have to, wait, let me look at this. Ooh, yeah, not the best. Okay, the back I'm fine with. It's just something, okay, no, I know what the problem is. I have to take like this part out. It's like stretching it too much here. But honestly, progress. I think it looks cool. I like the idea of it. I just need to cut this a little bit. I just could have done this in a way smarter way, but it's okay. I can tell I like where it's heading, which is good. We're having editing party.
Cheers.
Yes. You want? I got a papaya. You guys look.
That's a good one.
This is how we take photos now. This is live visual of me doing accounting.
Yes.
But look, I'm almost done.
I'm just avoiding all my problems right now.
Girl's got a test tomorrow and she's avoiding her problems. Struggling on accounting. Yeah.
Nice.
View! Look how pretty our view is. Full construction. My favorite thing about this school is this view. You can see the sky literally touches the water. It's so beautiful. Guys, look, my tripod is broken. Oh, hey. Do you see that? See? Ooh. This recipe is very like bakery style, and I like to like slap them when you're done because it gets the nice cracks.
You see the nice cracks, guys?
Beautiful. And the truffles are looking good, right? Right? Guys, look, tragic. Hey friends, my life is slowly crumbling because my tripod's broken, camera's broken, therefore you are sitting in a pile of wheat thins and cough drops. Things are gonna have to wait. This is more important because, oh, love being short, because I finished my sweater and I want to show you guys. And I also need to finish off this video, but the finish thing, it's a little bit odd here, but honestly, I am overall pretty happy with how it turned out, especially considering I didn't use any like pattern for it. This is pretty much what it'd be looking like, and I think it's pretty cute. But anyways, thank you guys. I'm gonna show you a better clip. Here. Anyway, thank you guys so much for coming along with me this like week, hanging out with me, coming to the beach with me, and watching me crochet this whole dang thing pretty much. It's been a fun journey, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. Nice seeing you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.
Nice.